In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on Facebook football mode. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top of the screen, you'll see the Facebook logo. Now here is the trick. Double tap the logo and Facebook will instantly activate football mode. All you have to do is click on the option Let's Go. After you enable it, your feed will shift to prioritize live match updates, football related content, and special World Cup themed features. You'll also get access to themed reactions, allowing you to respond to posts using exclusive football inspired emojis that make your engagement more fun and interactive. Football mode also includes a hidden football minigame, giving you a quick and entertaining way to play while following the tournament. If you want even more customization, try long pressing the football logo instead of double tapping it. This can unlock a hidden option to change your app icon to special tournament theme design. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.